known you, you are indeed a group of people that demonstrate that you do care. Having come where we come from in Uganda, I can tell you that your decision will save lives. You may not see it now, but you can trust me, it will save lives.
Excellent. If you just want to come in, just go. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. Another one real quick.
So, absolutely unbelievable day. Such a need and such an amazing gift, generous gift that's going to save many lives.
There's 300,000 people needing to be serviced, and in order to get that health care, they need to be transported to the healthcare units, and we have the opportunity to assist them and work with them, and it is a partnership, certainly starting with the RCMP.
I said, you know, perhaps one of those ambulances could be donated, and so talking with Dennis Ruffley, who was the Deputy Mayor of Bradford and recently retired, I said, can we put a deputation forward to see if Simcoe County can help with this?
Kind of more of a technical tour of how things would work in it? Yeah. We can arrange that too. Yeah. But I understand you have a local paramedic that's going to be involved, and he'll know all.
A couple of phone calls. I did some emailing, and eventually we had some results. In other words, we had some, persons, Andrew, the Director of Paramedic Services, Andrew Robert, especially, and Jane Sinclair, the Manager of Health and Cultural Services, Emergency Services of the county, worked with me in providing for that opportunity.
And if you have a large, access to a large oxygen tank, called an M tank, about that tall, it slides in there. We're very happy that we can see. I mean, that we just had a presentation from the group that's going to take possession of this ambulance and bring it over to Uganda, and we can see some of the good work they're going to be doing with it. We're very gratified.
If we need a part to buy, where would you get them here in Canada, like to ship it?
When they reach the end of their life, sadly enough, there's not a lot that we can get back for them. So by being able to sort of reuse, recycle a piece of Simcoe County equipment in a country that is absolutely doesn't have anything of this nature, this organization is thrilled to receive our decommissioned ambulance.
Every time we go there, they tell us of another woman who didn't make it, a woman who died in childbirth. What happens is this woman gets in distress in her hut, and when a neighbor calls for help and someone brings a bicycle, then they have to take her 26 miles to a health facility. They just don't make it. A woman distressed, they know it's a death sentence. Until now.
This is the bridge, it's a link that will get the most sick, the dying, the people that are traumatized in a motor vehicle accident, dying from terrible infections, just critically ill people. It will be the bridge that gets them from where they are to where they can get help. Okay. Someone had sent them to us.
Oh, you did?
Yes.
Okay.
And the Myria district.
There's your chicken.
Yes, there you go, the chicken.